Welcome back, traders. I just want to thank all the new subscribers for joining in the comments. I really enjoy the positive comments and reading those. And just want to thank you guys for subscribing and following along, joining the Discord and becoming a part of the community that we have created over here. And here's a sneak peek of today's trades. Continue watching the video to see more. 200 shares, and this might push right back up, so I might end up jumping out of this quick and going long on it. But let's see. It looks like it wants to break the opening range. I'm getting in anticipation. It's already rejected the VWAP. Push down. It might run right back up though, so I have to just be careful with it. So this should push down to at least the 200. I mean, it's already flexing down. It's got yesterday's high at 57.44. I'd be looking for a 52 to 44 target for profit. Oh, gee. Come on, I'm having so many problems today. There we go. All right. Short in Delta Airlines. Markets. Choppy. 15 minutes and the markets have done nothing. All right, man. I don't know about this short. It's not dropping. Long 100 shares of TWLO here on this pullback. Green. Look at MSM. Filled the gap. There it is. Well, it didn't fill the gap. It faded the gap. Nice. TWLO. Let's go. So I'm long TWLO 123.37. I'm short Delta Airlines 57.84. Really should have bought MSM. Knew it was going to fade that gap. It just ripped the dollar. Delta Airlines coming back, broke that opening range again. Let's see if it can crack that low of the day. It get a little flush, 50-cent flush. Up 50 bucks on TWLO, 25 on Delta. Got $24,000 in the market. TWLO's pulling back a little bit with the market yanking. Patience. All right, TWLO, high a day. Looking for yesterday's high, 124.93 to 125. We'll take a partial out of this trade. Delta, I don't know if it's going to do the thing. It might do the thing, but it's okay right now. It's green a little bit. So focusing on TWLO, ready to take a partial out here at yesterday's high, which I think it's going to do in the next few minutes. I'm going to give it a minute here. Delta at the 200. Thinking about a partial. 30 seconds on this candle. We'll see how it closes. Markets are yanking. Putting in a little bit of a bounce though. Delta, let's go. There it is. Cracked it. Closing heavy. We got 10 seconds. Nice. All the way back to yesterday's high. Thinking of, I'm going to be patient. No, this candle's closing heavy. The next one could continue to push. Potential 57.31. There it is. It's coming down. It's coming down. Let's go. Come on down. Crash and burn. Alright, so sitting tight in Delta, ready to take a partial. Just want to see it push back down and not break back over the 200. TWLO might be a good ad right here. There it is. Come on down, Delta. Up 100 bucks on Delta. Very nice. Patience with this trade. Never limit your profits. There it is. Cracked it. There it is. I can't even see it. It ran off my chart. I'm gonna take a partial off. Alright, so I took a partial off Delta. Alright, so there we go, Delta. Did you get out partial? Nice. Alright, so holding 40, I'm going to put a stop, break even on my last 40. You know the deal. You know the deal. Guys, 57.84. Partial. Stop loss. Risking 18 bucks to see how far Delta can come down today. It has the potential. If I could get TOS to work properly. There you go. Potential down to 56.69. It had a closing price of 56.95 yesterday. and a low of the day at 56.78. So these are targets here for my next. Take my remainder off unless I get stopped out. Break even, of course. TWLO, little pullback. Patience. Markets are yanking. It's FOMC day. Delta Airlines broke it down. Should we bring our break-even stop down into profits at this point? Perhaps. Perhaps. I mean, really, I mean, this was my target to take the remainder off. I should have took the remainder off right there when it tapped the close from yesterday. Delta looks like it's bottoming out at yesterday's closing price. This could continue to come down. I'm happy with my profits for the day. I'm going to go ahead and take my remainder off of Delta Airlines. There it is at my target. Patient with it for just a minute. Patience for just a minute to see if 57 is going to crack. It's bouncing. I'm out. Alright, so locked it in. 117 bucks on Delta. Still holding TWLO long. 108 in the profit. Looking for 50 more cents for a partial on that trade. TWLO getting ready to make a new high a day and should go and pop right up to our target. Gonna get ready to take a partial on TWLO here. You can do it. There it is. Let's go. All right, so we got our target on the ask. A little bit of a spread. Be patient for a minute. All right. Was pulling a little. That's okay. Patience. 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 Patience with it. It'll push back up there. Market's pulling a little. Oh, Delta cracked down to the low from yesterday. That's okay. Locked in a nice profit on that trade. TWLO, yeah. I mean, it tapped it, and we probably should have took it off. The market's pulling. I mean, it tapped our target. We probably should have took it off. We just had a 10-cent spread. So I was just kind of waiting for it to tick up one more time, and it'll probably push back up there, man. The markets are gonna be choppy. Just sit tight. Be chill, man. It's okay, bruh. Alright, TWLO, about to take a partial off TWLO here. Alright, I'm long oil. TWLO at our target. Spread on it is kind of nasty. Being patient with it again. Market's pushing up. It should make a new high. Let's see. Patience. Come on, TWLO, hit that target. Let's go. Alright, TWLO, are you gonna do it this time? Ready to take my partial. There it is. Give us the new high of day, and I will take my partial. 6-cent spreads, not bad. I could take it here. Up 270 on the day. There it is. 290. Taking a partial on TWLO. Alright, holding 20 shares now. We had a good exit on Delta. It's pushing back up. Could have got a couple more pennies out of it. Not a big deal. TWLO made a new high barely. I'm gonna put my stop break even. 123.37. $123.37. Actually, I'm gonna put my stop. I'm gonna put a stop up more because this thing's ripping. So I'm gonna put a stop at 124.48. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop in profit on this one since we're already up. We're done for the day. Look at that rip. Should have been patient with it a little more. Come on, oil. Rip it. So I moved my stop on TWLO to 124.62. I feel like if it pulls back and tests this previous high of day right here at 77 and breaks it and comes down as far as 63, it's probably going to come all the way down the VWAP, and it would have stopped me out on my previous stop in profit, so I moved it up just to preserve more of the profit. Up 280 on the day. Alright, so that's gonna do it for me today. 10:37 a.m. locked in 277, locked in 243, holding 34 on this remainder of TWLO. Stop in profit on TWLO. Delta, beautiful trade, beautiful exit. Could have made a couple more pennies, no big deal. You can't take every penny out of the market. Locked in 117 on Delta, 125 on TWLO. Still holding 35 in profit on TWLO. Gonna let it ride. So TWLO came back, stopped me out. Locked in $273.60 on the day. But I'm all done with the stocks today. That's a wrap. That's gonna do it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click like, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, turn those alerts on. We trading every day in the Discord. Join us over here, and we'll see you in the next one.